How to transfer GoDaddy domain to Hostinger. If you want to transfer GoDaddy domain to Hostinger, open your browser first of all. Now you simply want to go to godaddy.com and log into your account. On the top left, go to My Account, then under Quick Links, select the option called Domains. Once you go to Domains, you'll come under Domain Portfolio. So over here, you will see a list of your registered domains. You want to simply copy the DNS server or the name server of that domain. After you've done that, go to hmail.hostinger.com and log into your Hostinger account where you have hosted your website. And here you will be able to see your websites when you come to website list on the top left. So under that website, when it asks you to paste a domain or choose a domain for yourself, simply paste the domain or the server name that we copied from DNS server from GoDaddy. And once done, you will be able to transfer your GoDaddy domain to Hostinger. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.